Hello, welcome back to Blend LiveEnoding. In this episode, we're gonna take a look at how we can compare a map of two different kinds. Let's say, imagine you have like a map of the railway, and then you have also a map of the real map, and then you want to compare the two. And I'll show you a quick and easy way you can do this using node-based system, Sverchok add-on, and doing it inside Blender. Okay, first of all, we're gonna import the map. From the desktop. I already take a snapshot. I'm gonna import the image as planes, and this is I'll make it shadeless, and this is our map. I'll scale it real quick, display the texture, view it from the top, make it orthographic. Okay, this is two maps, and you can see the one that's orange, that's a Google map, that's based on a real map, and this one is a kind of a more simplified kind of map. What I want to find is the kind of like the route from Town Hall Station to Bondi Junction Station, and you can see this one is much more simple and this one is a little bit more complex. But anyway, I will do it using grease pencil, and I'm gonna draw real quick. Gonna try to trace this route. That's gonna be our first, and I'll go to the another frame and then just trace it from Town Hall Station here and to Bondi Junction. So my drawing is a bit wiggly, but that's okay. So I'm gonna save this. Now I'm gonna switch to Sverchok add-on, and I'm gonna grab grease pencil data, and I'm gonna grab it per frame. So the first frame, and there's the other one. We could actually grab both of them at the same time. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And let's see. Let's view this using Sverchok. So actually this one, see, there's something seems to be changed in the Sverchok. I used to be able to just pick frame and display the line. Let's check the with stethoscope. So that's the points. Let's try using UV connection. Get the points. It's a fewer draw. Okay, now it seems to be working. Maybe there's need like a conversion or something. Anyway, I have to do like I'm gonna do like a resampling using vector interpolation, and gonna use range float between 0 and 1. Plug into this guy, and we can see the grease pencil strokes being resampled for that one. And let's check the other one. Plug this to this guy. Okay, and we get the result as well. So we have both strokes already available for us, and all we need to do is really just to interpolate between the two. That's how we can compare the shape of the route. Vector lerp, I think that's called. Okay, vector lerp can do a simple animation between the two. So let me try that. So the first point and the second vertices points, and we're gonna do a lerp, and let's check it out. So you can see it's that's how we can do interpolation between the two. And let me quickly also resample these points, turn on edges, and I'm gonna turn on the map once again. Here I'm, instead of just looking at the viewer, there is also you know that we can use just polyline viewer. This one will generate a real mesh object, and we can increase the resampling so it's smoother, increase the radius, and give it a material if you like. Let me quickly do that. What color? Just a bright color. Okay, this seems to be pretty good. And then we can now simply interpolate between the two. So vector. Okay, so that's the original path in the real map, and this is kind of like a simplified map. Of course, we can still tidy up this line. Of course, we can make edit. You know, this is because this is like still grease pencil. We can make adjustment, make this smooth, perhaps smoother, smooth the curve. And update it, and there you go. That's how you can kind of compare a map or like two shapes from different map using Blender and animate like a Sverchok add-on. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.